My name is Avni Malush. I am from the Bronx, New York. I started looking at life a little different after I got caught stealing at Six Flags with one of my friends. I was in the sixth grade and we went in one of those small shops that sells candy and shirts and a bunch of souvenirs, but we didn't really go in to buy anything. We just went to, well, I followed my friend in there and I seen him, he was like looking a little suspicious in the background. He called me over to take some candy with him. I thought we were gonna pay for it initially, but I kind of figured out what we were doing, like in the middle of it. But I didn't really think much of it because I really wanted some candy, and to be honest, I've done it a bunch of times, like in my neighborhood. So it wasn't, it wasn't my first time to take candy as a young child. So it was just like something I wanted to do to get some free candy. But then it all changed when we got caught. We thought we were good because we walked outside of the shop and we were scotch-free, had the candy in my pocket, everything was good. And then all of a sudden, 2, 3 ladies came up to us. They were wearing, Six Flags work clothes, I think khakis maybe. And they came up to us and they were just like, come with us. And I didn't really know what was gonna happen. I kind of figured that they found out and they were gonna take us. But then they put us separately in like a wooden room. It was very poorly made. It was just wood. There was no ceiling. I understood what was happening then. They called my parents. They told my teachers. I was banned from Six Flags for a year. I didn't go to Six Flags anyway, but I could say that I was banned from Six Flags for a year. And after that, it taught me that you can't really just do things without thinking what's gonna happen next. Because I know I really wanted the candy, but you're gonna have to wait for the candy.